Mr. President, we expect to remain standing. Thank you, Honorable Buhari.
Because all the areas that I wanted to speak on, my leader has already spoken. But what I want to tell Mr. President, with your permission, Mr. President, Katsina State is an APC state. I want to give you my assurance that Katsina State is an APC state. I will roll it out like this, Your Excellency. The governor of Katsina State is an APC governor. The 3 senators that we have in Katsina State are APC senators. We have 12 members of the National Assembly as at yesterday. But as at today, we have 15 members of the National Assembly. The 3 other members who belong to other party, because of you, sir, they have become to our party APC. So we have 34 members of the State Assembly. Before we had 33, 1 for PDP, but today we had all the 34 as our members. We have just had election of the local government councils. We had 34 local government chairmen and 361 councillors in the state. Sir, it's a testament. Today you can look at this hall. Anybody who matters in the political cycle of this state, he is in this hall. And I want to assure you, sir, we'll continue to do the good work that will attract people to our party. We'll continue to follow your footsteps. We'll continue to be bold in our decisions. We'll continue to support and be able to provide what it takes for a common man. Our focus, we are focusing our attention on the welfare of the common man, and we'll continue to do that until when we are out of this seat as a governor. Your Excellency, sir, we had so many challenges when we took over as a government. But I know my leader has spoken. Sir, mine is to thank you. It's not a small honor, and I'm not going to take it for granted. And the people of Katsina State are not going to take it for granted. To come to Katsina for the first time in 2 years, to sleep in Katsina and to commission our project and also to grace the wedding party of my daughter. So this is an honor that I will never forget, and the people of Katsina State will never forget. Sir, I thank you for all you have done for us. Katsina State is your state. Sir, be very comfortable in Katsina. be rest assured, we will do everything humanly possible to ensure your success. Thank you, sir. May God take you back to Abuja safely, and every other person that accompany Mr. President.
For me, I've enjoyed a meal and the company of great people of Katsina. The only thing I miss is my predecessor in office, Buhari. And as Mr. Integrity, he has loved this state, committed himself to the development of this country and the progress of all. I wish him well. We have been fully entertained, and I've enjoyed the evening. I won't tell you that I'm fed and I'm fed up. I am just happy, feeling at home, because Katsina is at home to me. Well, on the issues mentioned by Aminu Masari, yes, security is a challenge. It's a challenge for this country right now. I address our men and women of the armed forces at the airport this afternoon, assuring them that we will do everything to fight terrorism and banditry. Yes, we will invest more in technology. We will take over all our forests. We must neutralize kidnapping, banditry, and terrorism. It was never like this before in Nigeria. But we will reverse the trend. It's not just a local problem, it is a national problem. We truly need investment to come into this country, not just only this community. Investment funding is always very cowardly. They will not follow where there is problem of terrorism, banditry, and kidnapping. We will solve the problem together. It's a promise. To the governors who are here, I believe we all can sit and talk national economic outlook with this number that is here. From Sokoto, Yobe, Kwara, Kaduna, Jigawa, Borno, Benue, Yobe, Well, it's a joy to have you around. May God bless all of you and continue to guide you. Nigeria is a success. The economy is turning around. It has bent the corner. When we started, it was challenging. I almost run away from watching the news or reading the newspapers. I just use courage and stay put on my decisions, believing that the ability of a leader to take a decision at the right time is the hallmark of leadership. We took it, we stay with it, and it will be rewarding. It is already bearing fruit. To our royal fathers, the Emir of Katsina, the Emir of Naira, thank you very much for the leadership and the mission. My old struggle mate, detention mate, Senator Abu Ibrahim, thank you for having a very good friend and a very solid loyalty in you. Thank you very much. I have listened carefully to the governor in a private discussion, and I've had necessary developmental program that's necessary for Katsina. You have very good people in the cabinet of the present day government, and you will continue to have them. They are working hard to make Nigeria a better place. They are very credible people, including the art and culture. I hope you get the recording of those very rewarding entertainments that we have now and put it on the media. And not you. Well done. You needed presidential intervention on the airport. I've taken note. And since it's all about job creation, empowerment, economic development, yes, we should. The resettlement of the victim of terrorism, we'll look into that. We'll participate collectively to give support to those who are affected. To strengthen the collaboration between the established communities and those who are affected. Yes, it is not easy to quickly remedy the weakness of the security system that is evolved over the years. But we are taking all necessary action to recruit more, train more, develop more, and equip our security forces, enhancement of technology, and promise of effective security surveillance we will defeat terrorism in this country. To me, you are doing a good job developing Katsina with the promise of a great Nigeria. I am happy that I'm here. And by the grace of God, tomorrow, I will participate in the ceremony. So Ibrahim Masari will meet in Abuja. Thank you very much.